Hello, this is DeLeon Springs State Park, and we've purchased a ticket and said to come here more than once in some trails. Nice cold water over there, and you notice this is the first time in a 10-second segment that I've not scratched my nose. Hey guys, so watch carefully when I'm in the video. I'm doing this. Right? Hold it.
Hello, it is hot out here.
You're gonna make it after all. Look, I really love your hairdo, yeah. I'm glad you like mine too. See, we're looking pretty cool. Getcha. So what do you do?
Look, watch him. He's gonna pounce on that butt. See?
Yeah, the butt.
That's his job.
It's a pretty new, but if you dig, I'm vegan food. Welcome over to my work. I'll have a cook you something that you really love. Cause I like you, yeah I like you. And I'm feeling so bohemian like you. Yeah I like you, yeah I like you. And I feel, wow,
Now she's getting a cigarette.
Is it her?
It's all caught on tape.
Yeah, Brett's gonna he's playing music for this. He'll go down and then he'll do the burp for you.
the couch when I'm there. Cause I like you, yeah I like you. And I'm feeling so bohemian like you. Yeah I like you, yeah I like you. And I feel, wow, and I feel so bohemian like you. It's you that I want so quick.
That's beautiful. It's worth a picture.
Or Russ or Rat.
Russ or a rat.
Like you, yeah I like you. And I like you, I like you, I like you, I like you, I like you.
We're on Air TV. Hi.
You, and I feel, wow, woo!
Look at Jeff.
Can you finish my mother?